Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is EXO, Se-hoon and Suzy fortune harmony analysis. An application has been received for the fortune analysis of EXO, Se-hoon and Suzy. An overseas YouTube subscriber has applied. Their fortunes were unusual and rare, so it was very difficult to conclude. What kind of fortune is it? Let's analyze it together. Se-hoon is a big mountain in fortune. Big mountains are characterized by gaining people's trust and being a central point wherever they go. Suzy is a rich land in fortune. Rich land is characterized by good self-management and very realistic. They all have something in common, that they have land energy. Something's off to a good start. And while Se-hoon has one conflict in his fortune, it's weak. But Suzy has two federations in her fortune. Se-hoon is a bit sensitive and Suzy is kind of affectionate. In addition, Se-hoon has two sets of structures that give him a strong temperament in his fortune. It is also the energy that can create a strong image or action acting. That energy depends on how you use it. But if you have a rough and strong life in real life, or if you are an entertainer, you use that kind of acting or image well. Now let's analyze it in more detail. Se-hoon is a letter that refers to himself except for one letter in his fortune. Therefore, the role of the collision of fortune is insignificant. One letter is an honor. It means that confidence, drive, and self-esteem are very strong and act in pursuit of honor. And for those who have a lot of energy like themselves, there are many people who succeed by pushing what they want to do with their own judgment and drive. It's a very unusual and rare fortune structure. However, if the time information on the left changes, there is a variable that the analysis results may vary. Suzy is also changing to the same energy as Suzy herself by combining two letters, which means honor in her fortune, since input energy is ultimately the energy that helps Suzy herself. The energy is converging into the same energy as Suzy herself, which can be seen as unusual and rare. The same structure as them is analyzed as having all the energy and the fortune, and usually with a good fortune. They all have strong land energy and similar in their pursuit of honor. If the overall structure is not changed by the time of birth information, they are very, very well matched. But I won't mark the score just in case. I'll just tell you that the information in the picture above alone is the strongest, very high score. Please improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.